Why do women struggle to lose weight? Why is it so much harder for us women to lose weight as compared to men? It feels like all that effort isn't paying off. Here's why weight loss feels tougher for women, especially as our life evolves. So let me explain this to you in simple terms because understanding your body is the first step towards loving it properly. Hormonal shifts hit women 5 times across life, from their late teens to pregnancy, middle age, and finally menopause. The hormonal reality. First thing, our hormones are like a complex dance, constantly changing. During our monthly cycle before periods, our body holds on to water. Estrogen and progesterone fluctuate, making us crave those samosas and jalebis. During pregnancy and after delivery, our body prioritizes storing fat for the baby's needs. Even years later, our metabolism remembers this pattern. And when menopause comes, oh my, estrogen drops and suddenly fat prefers to sit around our belly. Muscle versus fat. Men naturally have 30 to 40% more muscle mass than women. Muscle burns calories even when you are just sleeping or sitting. We women have more fat tissue which burns much fewer calories. Think of it this way. If metabolism is like a factory, men's factory has bigger, more powerful machines running all the time. Our factory is more efficient but runs at a gentler pace. The invisible labor. Now this is something no fitness guru talks about. The mental and physical load women carry. We are thinking about everyone's meals, managing households, remembering doctor appointments, worrying about children. This constant stress increases cortisol levels, the stress hormone that makes our body hold on to fat, especially around the middle. When did you last see a man lose sleep over whether there's enough dal at home? And we women, our minds are always running like a pressure cooker. The practical solution. But listen, understanding these challenges does not mean accepting defeat. It means working with your body. During your cycle, don't fight the cravings completely. Want something sweet? Make kheer with jaggery and nuts instead of reaching for ice cream. Your body needs extra energy. Give it good quality fuel. For hormonal balance, include foods like flax seeds, sesame seeds, and fenugreek in your diet, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. These help balance hormones naturally. Start your day with soaked methi seed water. Trust me on this, it will help you to regulate your insulin. Build muscle. Ladies, don't be afraid of weights or think you're going to look like a man. And you don't need a gym to build muscle. You can do push-ups against the wall, do body weight workouts, use kettlebells or dumbbells. Men have testosterone which helps them to build a lot of muscle. You don't have that much testosterone, so you're not going to build crazy muscle. Every bit of muscle that you build is like hiring a worker who burns calories for you 24/7. Manage your stress. This is crucial. Practice deep breathing. Take 10 minutes for yourself daily, maybe while you're having your morning tea. A stressed woman's body will hold on to weight no matter how little she eats. Sleep well. Sleep right. Poor sleep messes up your hunger hormone ghrelin, and it also messes up with leptin. When you don't sleep well, your body thinks it's in survival mode and stores fat. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. No phone in bed, please. Women's bodies are designed for creating and nurturing life. This is our superpower, and it comes with its own set of rules. We cannot follow the same diet and exercise plans made for men and expect the same results. Your worth is not measured by the number on the scale, but by the love and the care you show yourself and others. So next time someone says, just eat less and exercise more, you can educate them about the beautiful complexity of a woman's body. Take care of yourself with the same dedication you show towards your career, your family, and your friends. You deserve it. Remember that. Like, subscribe, and comment on our videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future updates.